Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to your online classes. Today we will do EVS of class 5th chapter 3. Okay? Chapter 3 from tasting to digesting. So in this chapter we will study about when we eat anything. When we eat anything, after eating only, after chewing only we can know the taste of that things. Okay, so here while we start chewing, while we grind that food item or anything, then only we can taste the things. Okay, which taste is, either the things is sour, sweet, bitter and salty. Okay student, so in this chapter we will study about all these things. So let us start chapter. Different tastes. So in this chapter we will study about, in this topic, about different tastes. Okay. Jhumpa ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother, saying. So when Jhumpa's mother, she said something to Jhumpa. Okay, her mother, she told something to her. Okay. Then what Jhumpa said, what Jhumpa replied, Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter karela. Okay. So when she came to kitchen, she saw what happened there. Her mother is making that vegetable in kitchen. Okay. So when she came in kitchen, then she saw that, Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter karela. Okay. So here bitter karela means bitter gourd. So what is the taste of karela? Bitter gourd? It is very bitter. Understood? Yes. Give me gur and roti. Here gur means jaggery. Okay. So she told to mother, Ma, I will not eat this bitter karela. You can give me gur and roti. Okay, jaggery and roti. Ma smiled and said, you ate roti and sugar in the morning. Then mother said, morning only you eat that sugar and roti, chapati. Now itself you want that? Okay, mother is saying to Jhumpa. Jhulan teased Jhumpa. So Jhulan teased Jhumpa. Okay, teased means chidhana. Don't you get bored of only one kind of taste? So Jhulan is teasing Jhumpa that you are eating only one kind of taste. You are eating only one kind of food. So you are not getting bored by eating only one kind of food, one kind of taste. Okay. Then Jhumpa replied. She quickly replied. To whom? Jhulan. Do you get bored with licking imli? Imli means tamarind. Okay. So Jhumpa, she replied, are you getting bored by eating that imli? I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli. Okay. So here Jhumpa said to Jhulan that, do you get bored with licking imli? Then Jhumpa is saying that, I bet means shart lagana. Okay, shart lagana. Then I bet that by listening of this word imli, in your mouth watering. Okay, so watering is there. Sure, I love that sour imli. Okay, so here they are saying that yes, they like to eat imli. They love sour. But I eat sweet and salty things too. Okay, then here she said that I like to eat that sour things, but also I like to eat sweet and salty things. I even eat karela, said Jhulan and looked at her mother. Okay, so here Jhulan said, I like to eat sour taste also, like imli, and sweet and salty thing. I can eat. I like to eat all the taste. Okay, then She looked her mother. They both laughed heartily. Okay, so after listening all these things means they started laughing. Jhulan said to Jhumpa. Okay, Jhulan said to Jhumpa, let us play a game. Now they are going to play. You close your eyes and open your mouth. Okay, then Jhulan said to Jhumpa, now we can play a game. Just you close your eyes and open your mouth. Okay, students? I will put something to eat in your mouth. Then she told, I will put something in your mouth. You have to close your eyes. You can open your eyes. You can open your mouth. Then I will put something in your mouth to eat. Then you can taste and you can tell. You have to tell what is it. Okay, they want to know that what things she will say. Jhulan took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them in Jhumpa's mouth. Okay, then what happened? Jhulan, she took some drops of lemon juice in a spoon and she put that lemon juice in Jhumpa's mouth. Okay, sour lemon, Jhumpa replied quickly. Okay, so here suddenly she replied that it is sour lemon. I understood. Which things you put in my mouth? It is sour lemon. Okay, student. So in this chapter we are studying about what? Sense organ. Okay, especially which about? Tongue. Okay, students. Now come to next page number 23. Here you can see they are playing that game. Okay, page number 23. Then Jhulan then picked up a small piece of jaggery. Okay, now Jhulan, she took some small piece of jaggery. Jaggery means good. Okay, her mother suggested. Okay, her mother said, crush it. Crush it means make it a small piece. Otherwise she will know that what is it. Okay, then mother told that crush that jaggery. Otherwise she will know. She will identify easily. Okay. Jhulan crushed the jaggery, but Jhumpa easily guessed it. Okay, see, after also, while they are making that jaggery very small piece, or that one they are crushing, then after that also, Jhumpa she told that it is, I understood what is it. It is only jaggery. They played the game with different food items. So in this way they played. They are putting different food items or different things, means eatable things, in whose mouth? Jhumpa's mouth. Jhumpa could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. Okay, so in that game they are putting something in Jhumpa's mouth, but in that, while they are putting that fried fish in her mouth, before tasting that fried fish, she told that what is it. Okay, do you know how she know that it is fried fish? Yes, think about it. Okay, so before tasting that fried fish, she know that it is the fried fish. Here she is not using the tongue, sense organs. Here tongue she is not using, but which sense organ she is using here? She is using here nose. Okay, student, by smelling only she replied that it is fried fish. Jhulan said, now close your nose and tell me what this is. Then Jhulan said, you are smelling and you are telling. Now you have to close your nose also. Okay, then you can tell me what is it. Jhumpa was confused. It is a bit bitter, a little salty, somewhat sour. Okay, now Jhumpa she closed both eyes also and nose also. Okay, eyes and nose, both sense organs she closed, and they told you have to close both eyes and nose, and you can taste, then you can tell. So what, while she eat that things, that is what is, that is bit bitter or little bit salty and sour also. Okay, so what is, can you guess what is it? Give me one more spoonful. Then she told, Jhumpa is asking, give me more. Jhulan took another spoonful of the cooked karela. Then what is that? Jhulan, she brought cooked karela. Okay, uncovered Jhumpa's eyes and said, okay, when Jhumpa saw all these things, that is, what is that one? That is cooked karela, means bitter gourd. Okay, here it is eat. Jhumpa laughed, yes, give me more. Okay, then here Jhulan, when she saw that, when Jhumpa opened her eyes and nose, she saw that what is there? It is cooked karela, and she said to them, please give me more, I can eat more. Okay, now this one over, we will do discuss and write. Jhulan's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. Okay, student. So here in question number 1, what you have to do? When Jhulan, she heard which sound, which word? Imli. Then by listening of this word imli only, her mouth started watering. Okay, उसके मुंह में पानी आ गया. Then what happened? You can write your, which of, you can write, you can make list of any 5 things that you like to eat and describe their taste. Okay, suppose that you can write your 5 anything which one you like to eat. Okay, and you can describe their taste also. Okay, you can write like this, I will show. You can write like this, how I had written imli. Imli means terminate. Okay, so it is sour, karela bitter, jaggery sweet. Like this you can make more list. Okay, next. So next question, do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? So here you can write, do you like to eat only one kind of taste or different kind of taste? So it is very difficult to eat only one kind of taste. Okay, so here in your answer you can write like this, which one? Either you like to eat only one kind of taste or different kind of. So here I like to eat different kind of taste, because by eating only one kind of taste I get bored. Okay, students. Next, Jhulan put a few drops of lemon juice in Jhumpa's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? Yes. So here, while Jhulan, she put some drops of lemon in Jhumpa's mouth, then only she identify what is that one. Okay, then what she said, that it is lemon juice. So can we, do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? Yes, we can identify. Yes, we can identify the lemon, taste of lemon juice. Okay, next one. If someone were to put a few seeds of soft, means aniseed on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed? How? So if anybody is putting some seeds of that soap, ना soap, अगर soap को आपके टंग पे रख दिया, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed? Yes, we can identify the taste of soap also. If somebody is putting the soaps in our tongue, how we can tell them? We can identify that by it is taste. Okay, student, come to page number 24. Next, how did Jhumpa make out the fried fish? How did Can you guess the names of certain things only by their smell? Without seeing or tasting them, what are these things? So here in that chapter we saw that Jhumpa, when she identified the fried fish. She identified already na fried fish. How she identify? Without tasting she identified that it is fried fish. So here without tasting she identify the fried fish with smelling. Okay, understood? Which sense organ she is using to identify that fried fish without tasting? She used which sense organs? Nose. Okay student, so here what you have to do, you have to write yours. Okay, so can you write any things? Can you guess the names of certain things only by their smell? Without seeing or tasting them, what are these things? तो यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है. Okay, here you can write any 4 or 5 things that you can identify that things without seeing. बिना देखे और बिना टेस्ट किए हुए उस चीज़ को पहचान सकते हो. Okay, you can write any 4 or 5 things. Next, has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Is there any person in your family or neighbors who said while you are eating that medicine, while you are taking that medicine, they told first you have to hold your nose? Is there anyone? Why they are saying? What do you think they tell you do this? You to do this. Why they are saying that first you have to hold your nose, then you have to take medicine? They are saying this because, yes, you can write. Is anyone is there na in your family or in your neighbors? They told yes, because most of the medicines are how? Most of the medicines are very bitter. Okay, most of the medicines are bitter. So they told hold your nose before taking medicine. Okay, this one over. Now close your eyes and tell. What you have to do? You have to close your eyes and tell. Collect a few food items having different kinds of taste. What you have to do? This one is your homework. Okay, this one you can try. You can try it in your home. Okay. Play a game with your friends like Jhumpa and Jhulan did. So in your family also you can play or you can guess how they did. Okay. झूलन और झुम्पा किस तरीके से गेम खेले थे, आपको ऐसा आप भी ऐसा कर सकते हो. ओके, टेल योर फ्रेंड टू टेस्ट द फूड एंड आस्क. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू टेल. फर्स्ट you have to taste and tell the taste of that food items. Okay, so first one, how did it taste? You have to, how did it taste? Okay, what was the food item? You can identify, you can tell that which food item is and what is it is taste, which kind of taste. On which part of tongue could you get the most taste? In front, at the back, on the left or right side of the tongue. So before explaining all this question, I will mention one more thing. So students, while we eating anything, any food item, we can taste it. We can identify that things with the help of their taste only. Okay student, so here this is our tongue, so in our tongue have small birds. Okay, tiny birds are there, bumps are there, small birds or tiny bumps. Okay, so what is there? आपके जीभ में, आपके टंग में छोटे छोटे से क्या होते हैं? बर्ड्स होते हैं, दाने जैसे होते. ओके, यू कैन सी दैट. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट टाइनी बर्ड्स, टाइनी बम्स और small birds only we can identify the taste. ओके, स्मॉल बर्ड्स होते हैं आपके टंग में, उसी के द्वारा हम लोग किसी भी फूड आइटम्स के बारे में, टेस्ट के बारे में पहचान सकते. ओके, सो हियर इट इज़ द फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ द टंग. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस we can taste here. Okay, here what is this? This is front part of the tongue. So front part of the tongue, which taste we can feel? We can feel sweet. Okay, and side. Then side of the both side. Okay, after the sweet, then what is there? Here both side we can feel the salty things taste. Okay student, then little bit inner, here we can see sour. Here we can feel which taste? Sour. And this is the inner part means inside. Okay, so what is the, it is back. Okay, pichle. Then inner part of this tongue we can feel what is there? Bitter. Okay student, so here in front what we can feel? Sweet things taste. Then here till here to here we can feel salty things taste. Okay, then here it is sour. So till here to here. Okay, till here to here we can feel sour taste. Okay, and inside means the back side. Okay, अंदर तरफ. So here we can feel which taste? Bitter. Okay student, so here which are the basic taste that we can feel in our tongue? That basic tastes are sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Okay, so sweet we can feel front of the tongue, in front of their front part. Okay, and both side which one we can feel? Which taste? Sour and salty. Okay, sour and salty we can feel sides, and bitter it is back. Okay students, come to next. So come to question number 2. On which part of tongue could you get the most taste? Front part is this. Okay, then at the back means here we can feel, here we can taste which one? Here we can taste bitter. Okay, here sweet, here salty, and here what is there? Sour. Okay student, so here we can taste sweet, and here salty, and here sour, and inside their back side it is bitter. Okay, at the back on the left or right side of the tongue. So you can write it. आपको ये करके देखोगे तो आपको लिखना है. Okay, which taste could be made out on which part of tongue? So आपको देखना है. So when we will do experiment, जब आप घर में करके देखोगे तो आपको बताना है कि कौन सी चीज़ का टेस्ट किस तरफ आया है. Okay, mark these parts on the picture given. You can do it. Okay, one at a time put something to eat in other parts of your tongue, your mouth. Under आपको क्या करना है? Then you can put food items in different part of the mouth. Like कहाँ रखोगे? आप दूसरे पार्ट के माउथ पे भी रख सकते हो. ओके, मुंह के अंदर दूसरे जगह पे भी रख सकते हो खाने की चीज़ को. जैसे कि अंडर द टंग मीन्स बिलो द टंग के नीचे. ऑन द लिप्स पर. ऑन द रूफ ऑफ द माउथ के ऊपर, मतलब यहाँ पर. डिड यू गेट एनी टेस्ट देयर? कैन यू फील एनी टेस्ट? कैन यू गेट एनी टेस्ट? नो. ओके, वी कैन नॉट गेट एनी टेस्ट because we can get taste only on our tongue. Okay, because in our tongue only there are many small bumps are there. टाइनी बर्ड्स आर देयर, छोटे छोटे क्या होते हैं, बर्ड्स आर देयर, छोटे छोटे क्या होते हैं, ओके। तो उसी पे जब व्हेन वी chew any food items then only we can get taste. Okay students, you can do this one in your home. Next, page number 25. Next, page number 25. Use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue to so that it is dry. So what you have to do, you have to wipe आपके front part. This is your front part na. So what you have to do, you have to clean this front part with dry cloth, clean or dry cloth, okay. Put some sugar or jaggery there. So what, after wiping it, उसको पोंछने के बाद में क्या करना है, you can put some jaggery or sugar here, okay. Could you taste anything? Why did this happen? So what happened? Can we taste here sugar or jaggery taste? No. Why? Because we wipe that. Okay, here saliva is there, na, saliva, water. So while we clean it, while we wipe it, it will be dry. जब हम पोंछेंगे तो यहाँ की जो saliva होती है वो सूख जाएगी. So that we cannot get any taste. We cannot feel any taste. Okay. So what is there in our this bumps are there, na, small bumps. This is small bumps. So what we can do, it is must, okay. This water should be there or saliva should be there. Saliva means थूक, okay. तो ये होना है, जब यहाँ पर वाटर में हमारे मुंह में पानी रहेगा तभी हम फील कर सकते हैं, ओके स्टूडेंट. why does this happen? This happen because while we wipe this front part of the tongue, it is dried. So because of dry, we cannot feel any taste. Stand in front of a mirror and look closely at your tongue. How does the surface look? How does the surface look? Okay, in front of mirror, while we stand, then we can see that small bumps are there. Tiny bumps are there or small buds are there, okay students. How does the surface look? How it is? We can see some okay, so we can see some things na, some parts. ऐसे दिखता है कुछ यहाँ पर दाने दाने से, okay. Can you see any tiny bumps on the surface? Yes, we can see tiny bumps on our what is tongue, okay students. Okay, next one, tell. This one I will explain in next video, okay. Thank you.